At PriceSmart, we take pride in our operation standards. Through our practices, we generate income for our more than 10,000 employees. We are able to satisfy the needs of more than 3 million members in their homes and small businesses. And we interact with thousands of suppliers, motivating and accompanying them to be responsible with the environment. In short, we help move the economies of the communities where we have a presence, generating well-being and value for their inhabitants. We are aware that part of our operations generates an impact on the environment. Faced with this dynamic, we make every effort to mitigate it. Through this video, we will review some of these efforts. Our business is in charge of finding, controlling, and preventing environmental impacts generated by our operation.
The programming for sustainable efforts at PriceSmart is a group effort. Included in that effort is the installation of energy-efficient systems and other systems at their clubs that help reduce the impact on our environment. One of the systems that we use to reduce the impact on the environment is the installation of solar panels. A second area is the treatment of our sanitary water, which we do with wastewater treatment plants and grease traps. Additionally, PriceSmart installs LED lighting systems and uses natural light to augment those artificial lighting systems. The objective is for PriceSmart to complete these projects and be able to report clearly the reduction to the environment by our company.
Water is one of our priorities because of the important role it plays in people's lives. Our continuous effort to use this resource responsibly is reflected in the actions and investment in our club's infrastructure. All of this is accompanied by measures that promote its implementation and control. Among them, we reuse waste heat that otherwise would go into the atmosphere from refrigeration and air conditioning systems to produce hot water. In countries where legislation allows, we collect rainwater from roofs and parking lots, which is later reused in processes that do not require potable water. In most of our clubs, we have our own wastewater treatment plants.
El compromiso y la determinación con que nuestra empresa cuida nuestro suministro de agua es enorme y forma parte de un esfuerzo mayor. Nuestro trabajo por el medio ambiente es diverso y hay mucho esfuerzo detrás de ello. Comparto plenamente el propósito de sostenibilidad y estoy orgulloso de pertenecer a una empresa que es consciente del cuidado hacia el medio ambiente.
We seek to be at the forefront of sustainability, applying all possible measures that allow us to mitigate the impact on the environment. There are 4 measures we consider. We promote the reduction of our energy consumption. We install energy-saving LED lamps. We take advantage of available daylight through skylights on the roofs of all of our clubs that are exposed to sunshine. We have installed solar systems in 40 of the current 49 locations in operation. PriceSmart plans to expand this initiative by installing solar systems in all new locations where it makes sense to do. Our vision requires us to examine every stage, step, and process in the production of our products and services to ensure the sustainable future we seek. Therefore, we have launched a series of efforts in several areas of our business, taking concrete steps toward a sustainable operation. The Other Business and Fresh Department debuted a regional program promoting the implementation of more efficient, high-quality, and compostable food utensils and packaging. Some of our clubs are in the process of piloting and implementing the use of compostable gloves, meat, and garbage bags. Our Fresh Department is piloting and starting to expand the use of compostable trays and pads. Our corporate solid waste management program strives to control its environmental impact by managing waste in its business unit's responsibility, ultimately decreasing solid waste disposal through proper waste management. All our efforts don't stand alone. Through internal initiatives and strategic partnerships, we have been able to continually improve our environmental impact management. All initiatives are welcome when it comes to such an important purpose. We seek to be the change we want to see in the world, and these actions involve staff from all areas of the company.
We at PriceSmart believe that sustainability is a core element of our business. For example, This past fiscal year, we have implemented recycling centers in all of our clubs, and many of our clubs have solar arrays to support our energy needs. Also, some of our clubs have won prestigious awards such as the Bandera Azul in Costa Rica. We also have clubs donating food waste to local food banks and to zoos, for example, in the Caribbean. And finally, I really want to stress how important our partnerships are with local governments, institutions, and with our suppliers. We're really proud of our relationship with the Scripps Institution of Oceanography, where we're working with them to assess our seafood supply chain and identify ways that we can improve and communicate better with our members. We think our partnerships with local governments and institutions is just so important as a role that we have as a responsible citizen and member of our community.
At PriceSmart, we are proud of the work we are doing, but more importantly, we are committed to preserving the well-being of our employees, members, and communities. Every detail counts. With every small action we take, we consolidate the sustainability of the environment to which we belong and where we are the main actors. We will continue to work constantly in search of tangible results. The future we dream of depends on all of us, and it's in our hands to take care of our planet. PriceSmart.